Watise mu karantini tuna kutafalinga. Sio ndo kwa Ssaabasajja yampise mbere ku TV ye. Nenzija. Otekawo emotion. Bro lero twakowa ebintu ebyekya twabikowa. Twabikowa.
It's very simple. I asked for the papers.
I don't have them. Okay, what is the solution? I don't have them. What should
The
we do?
papers.
I don't have them. They're home. Are you willing to? Osokunzikiza nyimbire Ssaabasajja mutukutwaleka.
If they are at home, can we drive and get
Can I please do the Kabaka's job before I do your job? Please, munatunyigiza kukomawa.
Okay.
Munatunyigiza kukomawa.
Okay, when you get done,
Can you wait for me to serve the king before I serve you?
When you get
Can
done,
you wait for me to serve the king before I serve you? Can you please wait for me to do my job for the king?
Okay, do your work, but then you give me the
I don't have the papers. Keep social distance.
Okay.
My brother, today is public
Can you
holiday.
finish your work?
You are a, you don't rest. You don't rest. You are a etemumula ko bantu mwe. Public holiday just Katonda yazukidde.
Exposing yourself.
Listen to me, you're also exposing your stupidity. Toso kujja ku public holiday. Otalika okuleta abantu bo nonsense. Bro abantu akowa. We are fed up, we are tired.
It is okay. Talk
My
to
brother.
Me. Talk to me.
My brother, I want to make sure that okay.
Can you do your work and
can you also do your job? Today is public holiday. Easter. Kristo azukidde leero. Sizakuyimbira kabaka.
Okay, Camille, I'm listening.
Totekawo moment yo.
Can you do
You
your
are
work
a mumbulako
and wait
di.
for the papers?
Can you wait for me to do my king's
Yes,
job?
yes, finish your work.
Thank
we are
you.
waiting for the papers.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
Finish your
But I want to
work.
ask you one last question. I want to ask you one last question.
It's okay.
Does your government rest? You are ete umulamu.
I'm an enforcement
Public
officer.
holiday.
I'm an enforcement
Jesus
officer.
is rising and you're here.
It is okay. Finish your work.
You're a slave.
Then finish your work.
You're a slave of a mentality that you
Thank
don't know.
Thank you. Finish your
You're
work.
not free.
Mr. Camille, finish your work. Then
Please
we
wait
shall
for
be
me.
waiting for the papers.
And you have to follow me to my home because my papers are
No,
my
I will
house.
not go to your place. I'm
Please.
waiting for the papers.
Your enforcement,
Okay.
omuntu asobola okuteeka endagamuntu yewaka n'asigaza ID endagamuntu ya photocopy. Listen to me, you have to follow me to my house to do my papers.
Which is okay.
Ewange tewali
You
police.
drive and get the papers.
Please,
finish
you
your
follow
work.
me.
Yes, finish your work.
Will you follow me?
Fine.
Thank you.
Finish your
I'll
work.
follow me
Then
back
we
out.
shall drive.